Here we are discussing question number 8 from miscellaneous exercise of chapter 10. Chapter 10 is conic section. Here question is, an equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, where one vertex is at the vertex of the parabola. Find the length of the side of the triangle. Very interesting and important questions. So let us see the solution here. First of all, we have to understand this diagram. Question will be very clear with this diagram. Here given, an equilateral triangle is inscribed in the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4ax. And one vertex of this triangle is on the vertex of the parabola. Here vertex of parabola is origin, because equation of parabola is standard equation y square is equal to 4ax. Here axis of parabola is along x-axis and the parabola is open in the right hand side. Okay, so equation of parabola is y square 4x, and this is the origin with coordinates 0, 0. And vertex of this equilateral triangle lies on the vertex of the parabola. Find the length of the side of the triangle. So here sides of triangle are OA, OB and AB. Clear? So here given equation of the parabola is y square is equal to 4ax, and triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle, and its one vertex lies on this vertex, on the vertex of the parabola. Clear? First of all, let us take coordinates of point A, x1, y1. In triangle OAC, this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 60 degree because triangle is equilateral, and this angle has been divided in two equal parts, so this angle is 30 degree. So in triangle AOC, angle AOC is equal to 30 degree. And as we have supposed coordinates of A, x1, y1, let coordinates of A be x1, y1. So if we take coordinates of A, x1, y1, it means OC is equal to x1 and AC is equal to y1. So therefore OC is equal to x1 and AC is equal to y1. Then only coordinates of A will be x1, y1. Clear? Now, in triangle AOC, tan of 30 is equal to perpendicular by base, so y1 by x1. y1 by x1. Or tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to y1 by x1. Or y1 is equal to x1 by root 3 from this equation. By cross multiplication, x1 can be written in this numerator, so x1 by root 3. Now we'll put this value of y1 and x1 here. Let us write equation number 1. Okay, so by equation number 1, these values x1 and y1 will satisfy equation of the parabola because A is lying on this parabola. So we can write here by this equation y1 square is equal to 4a x1 as A with coordinates x1 y1 lies on the parabola. Correct? Now we can put value of y1 here. Value of y1 is x1 by root 3. So we can write here x1 by root 3 whole square is equal to 4a x1, or x1 square by 3 is equal to 4a x1, or x1 square multiplying with 3 both sides and transposing to left hand side minus 12 ax1 is equal to 0. Now here we will try to find out the value of x1, correct? Or taking x1 common from these two terms, so x1 into x1 minus 12 of a is equal to 0. So therefore we are getting here x1 is equal to two values, x1 is 0 and another value is 12a. So x1 is 0 we are getting for this vertex, and x1 is equal to 12a we are getting this vertex x1. So here we are getting x1 is equal to 12a, correct? So this coordinates x1 is 12a. Now we will find out coordinates of y1 also, correct? So now putting value of x1 is equal to 12a in this equation, let us write this is equation number 2. So now by putting x1 is equal to 12a in equation number 2, we get y1 square is equal to 4 into a into x1, and x1 is 12a into 12a. Therefore y1 is equal to square root of 12 4 ja 48 a square, and this is 4 root 3 a. So therefore y1 is equal to 4 root 3 a, correct? 4 root 3 a. So we have got values of x1, y1. Now with the help of coordinates of a and o, we can get the length of the side of equilateral triangle by distance formula. So therefore OA is equal to square root of x1 minus 0 whole square, x1 minus 0 whole square plus y1 minus 0 whole square. This is equal to root over x1 square plus y1 square, and this is equal to root over x1 is here 12a and y1 is 4 root 3. So putting these values here, so x1 square means 12a whole square. So this is 144 a square, and y1 square means 4 root 3 a whole square. So this is equal to 48 a square, and this is equal to 144 plus 48 is equal to 8 and 4, 12, 4 and 4, 8, 9 and 1, 192 a square, and this is equal to 8 root 3 into a. So this is the length of the side of equilateral triangle. This is the answer, 8 root 3 a. Very interesting and important question. Hope you understood it. So remain in touch. We'll see now next topic, because this miscellaneous exercise is here completed. Share this video with your friends also. And if you are enjoying these videos, your likes are most welcome. Wish you all the best.